Hello. So in the last video we have seen how to apply the appearance animation to our SCADA object. So today we'll learn about how to provide the trigger from the SCADA screen. So in the previous video we have read data from the PLC to our SCADA screen. Now we are controlling our PLC tag from the SCADA screen, because SCADA is a supervisory data control and acquisition, because it can control and read, supervise, monitorize your system. So for that we have already created one program, this button and this output. Now I want to control this 1.0 NO2 NC from the SCADA screen. So for that we require one button, because button having the trigger property. So we'll create one button, just drag and drop from the element, make it zoom and call is trigger button. You can increase the size of this font from here itself. You can change the color of this button. Go to property. In the property there is a general and appearance tab. From that you can change the color of your button. To change the background color, make it solid and then change your color like this. Okay, so you can change any color according to your requirement. Now you can also give the corner radius, so it will make smooth corner. Now we'll assign the trigger property. Go to property and there is a event tags. In the event tag, which property you want to assign? Okay, so right now my program is like, when I click on the button it will on my 2.0, but when I click again on the same button it will off my 2.0. So for that, this is called the toggle of my output. So for that I will assign click event and assign the invert property, invert bit. So what it will do, it will invert the bit of the tag, which tag we are assigning here. So this tag we have already created in the SCADA tag table. We will select this not output, but right now in the trigger we will control our input, not output. So for that we have to create another tag in our tag table called 1.0. So here I will assign input. My address is sorry, I have to check again. It's a 1.0. Okay, so I will assign 1.0. Okay, now again we'll go to screen, right click on the button, go to property, and here event we'll assign our input tag. So when I click, it will invert its previous output, previous value. When I again click, it will again invert the value. So now check by running this program. I'll simulate it. Okay, I will click for one time. I click and I will check in our PLC program whether it is on or not. Okay, so as you can see it's on. Now again I will press it and we'll see Now it's off. So our program is working, but I have to see the output also parallelly. So again, we have already seen this in previous video. So this is my output. So I'll assign the tags here. This is my input button. This is my output length. Go to its property, animation and appearance. Which appearance? Output is my output. And what I want to see, that at 0 background color would be red and at 1 background color would be green. Okay, so now let's check simulator. Okay, and see. On, again click off, on, off, on, off. So with the help of this trigger button, you can change the input status of PLC type. Okay, and you can control your PLC program with the help of SCADA screen. Okay, so for this session, we are completing here. Okay. In the next video, we'll see the another elements called the IO field, and so many elements are there. So we'll see those in the next lecture. So thank you and goodbye.